Hello everybody, welcome to my first unboxing video. Today I'm opening the Disney Doorables set. This is my favorite Disney characters, I'm really excited. Oh, okay, so I'm opening the packaging, and I have, I'll toss that, and I have seven figures. I'll start them in the middle, I think. Let's see. Okay, and let's see what's in the first one. What's this pink I got? Ooh, it's a Lilo. Mm. And then the next one is gonna be, and then in this one we have, I got superhero tits. The cape is really cool. And then we have, and then we have, and then next. Oh, it's us laying down, and then and then let's and then this is gonna be. Ooh, it's a space tits. Mm. And then let's see, and then we have, and then this is gonna be, and then it's a stitch of hold eyes. How cute is that? How cute. And then we have. This one's gonna be. It's it's a stitch in a hula skirt for like the tiki tote thingies. I think it's supposed to be like what David wears, and then wait, uh, and then the last one is second to last one. I've seen more actually, and then I have ukulele stats. Last one has to be. An Angel. And now for a quick review of all the ones I just opened. Let me just open. We got these. So we got like, okay. So we got you, uh, ukulele sticks, hula sticks, space tit, laying down the sticks, and then Angel, Lilo, a stitch with hold eyes, and this little superhero capes tits. Thank you so much for seeing my very first unboxing video.